Hi, and welcome again. So let us continue talking about the data type in Python. Today we will talking about list. So what is the list? Lists are collection of data which are related to each other. So instead of sorting data as separate variables, we can sort them as a list. For example, suppose our program needs to store the name of 5 users. Instead of sorting them as user 1 name, user 2 name, user 3 name, user 4 name, and user 5 name, we can store them in one variable as a list. How we can create a list? Simplify, we typing the list name equal, we open a square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we list the value for the list and we separate them by comma. Let us take an example. User name equal, we open the square bracket. Let's say we have John. We have John and we have Alan. We have Smith. So we declare an list. This list called username and it contains 3 elements. Now, list could be an string, could be an integer, or could be a boolean or any other data type. For example, list 1 equal, let's make it integer 1 3 4 5 6. So this list here is integer, this list here is string, or we can make it boolean. List 2 equal true or false. Also, the list can be contain one more than data type. It could be contain string, integer, boolean, and etc. at the same time. For examples, list 3 equal, this is string name Obieda and number, which is 33, and it could be contain a boolean true or false. Make it true. So this list 3 has string, integer, and boolean. Also, we can creating a list without initial any value, which is meaning we creating an empty list. For example, list 4 equal, we open and close the square bracket without adding anything. Later on in this video, we will talking how we can add an element to the list using the append function. Access item. Individual values in the list are accessible by their indexes, and indexes always start from 0. This is a common practice in most of all programming language such as C and Java, etc. So first element here, this John will has index 0, Ellen will has index 1, and Smith will has index 2. And so if we need to print the value, okay, let us taking an example. Fruit equal, have apple, and we have banana, and we have orange. So I create a list called fruit. This list contains apple, banana, and orange. So apple here is the index 0, banana is the index 1, and orange is the index 2. Now if I want to print banana, so I will be referring to the index 1. Print fruit. Between the square bracket I will put the index for the element which I want to print. In our examples we need to print the banana, so I will put 1. So this one here, this should be, will print banana. Okay, let us run. Okay, as you can see, it's print banana. We can start from the end. Instead we starting from the beginning like 0, 1, 2, we can accessing from the end. In this situation we will use negative indexing. Let us take an example. If I want to print orange, I can do print fruit, can put -1. Okay, so -1 here referring to last element. Now if we increase it, it will go to the next one. So orange is -1, banana -2, apple -3. Run. As you can see, it's print orange. Okay, now what if you try accessing index is not exist? In this situation, Python will display an index error saying list index is out of range. For example, let us print the fruit and let's give an index is not exist. For example, 5. As you can see here, we have just 3 elements inside the list. So 5 is out of scope. Run. Index error, list index out of range. Now let us talking about range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. The item at the start index is always included, but the item at the end is always excluded. Let's explain by example. So suppose that I have this list. Let me add some item to our existing. We call this one fruit 2 equal the same element. We will add more items. Let us add kiwi and add lemon. So fruit 2, we have apple, banana, orange, kiwi, and lemon. Now if I want to print first element and second element, so I just need to print the first 2 elements. We will start from 0, then we put the symbol 2 dot, then we add the last element. All the time any number we put here will be excluded. Since we need to include this one, we will have to add the index for orange. So we'll say 0, 1, 2, 2. In this situation, it will print apple and banana. Run. Yeah, we have the error here. Let me just comment this error here. Run. As you can see here, it's print apple and banana. So now we have fruit 2 equal apple, banana, orange, kiwi, and lemon, and we need to print the value from 0 to 2. So in this situation, we are saying it will be print apple and banana only. Now, if we lift, since we are lifting the first value empty, it will be starting from 0. So 0, 1, and 2, and 3. So it will print apple, banana, orange, and kiwi. Let's run. See, it's printing apple, banana, orange, and kiwi. Remember, second value, last item is not included. Now, what if we left the right value empty? In this situation, it will be starting from the value which we are determine until the end. For example, print fruit 2. I will be starting from index 1. I'm not going to determine the end of this range. So it will be starting from banana to lemon. Let us run. As you can see, it starts from banana to lemon. So it's print banana, orange, kiwi, and lemon. Banana, orange, kiwi, and lemon. Now, at the beginning, we mentioned that we can use the negative indexes. Can we use it in range? Yes, we can. For example, print fruit 2 -4 until -1. Okay, run. It will print banana, orange, and kiwi. Banana, orange, and kiwi.